Frankie?
Għallak Martin, nizzaw.
All right, mela lek, ġijaw għax għallu Father Martin, tajjeb. Ħankomplu bl-spettaklu u miħaj issa unek fuq il-park se tinaqqad Xaris Vassallo li se tkanta żewġ kanzunetti l-ewwel ħatibda b'Nothing Really Matters u mbagħad se tkanta l-kanzunetta Stop. Sinjuri, għalikom Xaris Vassallo.
You've given me. Did you never worry that I've come to depend on you? I give you all the love I had in me. Now I'm finding line, and I can't believe it's true. I see you across the street.
I see you across the street.
I can't help but wonder if she knows what's going on. Oh, you talk of love, but you don't know how it feels when you realize that you're not the only one. Tried to walk away.
I tried to walk away,
but it's not that easy when you're so torn too. So I just resign myself to it every day. Now all I can do is to leave it up to you.